Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm showing our replacement power seat switch harness pigtails, designed to fit early to mid-70s GM 6-way power seat switches. These were patterned after the measurements of a unit with the wires exiting the side of the plug. The plug and lid were then 3D printed at high resolution with all holes perfectly in place to allow for dependable fit on the switch. The resulting plug is assembled using small machine screws to allow for future access to wires if necessary. New 14-gauge copper-stranded wire is used for all connections except the main power lead, which is 12-gauge. New connectors are crimped on the wire ends and seated firmly in the plug. The pigtails can be wired for either driver or passenger sides. This application shows the dark green wire just below the orange power feed and is correct for a driver side split bench setup. Swapping the dark green and yellow wire locations make it correct for full bench and passenger split bench applications. Please give us a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more how-tos. The link to our site is in the description. Thanks for visiting.